Gangnam Seran will tell you why growth hormone is important for adults as well. Anti-aging wellness clinic for adults. Growth hormone is also an essential hormone for adults. It is a hormone that our body needs to function properly throughout life. Reduced growth hormone secretion. Growth hormone is a hormone that is secreted throughout life, peaking at puberty and then decreasing by 14.4% every 10 years after the age of 20, reaching less than 50% by the age of 60. Symptoms of lack of growth hormone: abdominal obesity, decreased muscle mass, decreased vision and hearing, decreased cardiorespiratory function, increased arthritis and joint pain, increased blood cholesterol and osteoporosis, lethargy, depression, insomnia, impotence, loss of libido, etc. Effects of growth hormone administration on adults: metabolism activation, abdominal fat reduction, bone density increase, muscle mass increase, sex hormone activation, vitality enhancement, anti-aging, anti-hair loss, improvement of insomnia and improvement of skin elasticity, memory and cardiovascular system, eye health improvement, menopausal symptom relief. Gangnam Seran's hormone therapy is special. Growth hormone administration once a week, sex hormone injection, male, female, anti-aging infusion, and obesity treatment are combined to increase the effect.